Okay, so this is LCR Q meter equipment. This equipment is used to test the values of L inductor, C capacitor, R resistor, Q transistor meter. Okay, and there are number of ranges, like to measure resistor less than 10 kilo ohm, you have to set this point. Here you will see Q bias, biasing, range lock, R parameter, L and C. This is if you connect series in parallel or something like this, means to measure the circuits. And this is frequency, 100 Hz to 1 kHz frequency. So to measure resistance value below 10 k ohm, like example 1 k, if you want to measure resistance of the value 1 k or something that is less than 10 kilo ohm, first set this point, then at the display you will see 1.000 and range is kilo ohm. So the total value of that resistor is 1 kilo ohm. Similarly, if you want to measure resistance greater than 10 kilo ohm, you have to set the range, and then at the output you will see 100.0 and range will be in kilo ohm. Similarly, you can see the value of capacitor less than 1 microfarad, the value of capacitor greater than 1 microfarad. For non-electric, you know that non-electric capacitor have no polarity, and to measure capacitance value greater than 1 microfarad with polarity, because this point is used to measure electrolytic type capacitors. And to measure inductor less than 1 Henry values. And quality factor, you know that quality factor phenomena is happen in transistors. And in the next, you to measure inductor value greater than 1 Henry, you will use this range Henry. And this is your main box where you connect components which is to be measured, like, and there is minus terminal and plus terminal. Like if we take example, this is polyester capacitor. So to measure this capacitor have no polarity, so you can either connect in which direction you want. So to measure this, here capacitor is connected to the test board and set their value. This is already set on the capacitor, and this value is 101.3 nanofarad. Okay, again if you want to measure another capacitor, just use next one. This value is also nearly about 104.8 nanofarad. Again, if you want to check some more different capacitors, okay, this value is different, it is 10 nanofarad. So this is all about capacitor testing.